drinking a cup of coffee in the morning, you expect to have it, and if you don't, it's kind of hard to go without it.
Tom Laverder's stepmother died of emphysema earlier in January after smoking for 40 years. It has made him take a second look at his habit.
It's made me want to quit smoking.
He started smoking as a teenager, and at 24 years old, he sees how heavy the habit is on his health.
Chronic bronchitis, high blood pressure, wheezing of the lungs.
State tobacco cessation specialist Jeremy Brokaw says a nicotine addiction can be as strong as one for illegal drugs.
A lot of people start off smoking not realizing they'll be addicted, or they don't think they will, but over time they find that addiction is really hard to overcome.
But once they do, smokers can add years to their life.
People who stop smoking in their 30s or 40s can add 10 years onto their life that would be taken away if they continue to smoke.
Brokaw says secondhand smoke is a danger too.
My wife has a problem. She thinks she has a lung problem that she probably got from secondhand smoke from her folks when she was a child.
Brokaw says a state-sponsored smoking cessation program has a success rate ranging from 20 to 40%. As for Laverder, he says he's tried to quit several times.
I know I can. It's just once I'm ready to and just put 100% in, I know I could do it.
So he plans on trying again in the future. Luba Solonenko, Beartooth NBC.